1, guilty. Count 2, guilty. Count 3, guilty. Count 4, guilty. Count 5, guilty. Count 6, guilty. Count 7, guilty. Count 8, guilty. Count 9, guilty. Count 10, guilty. Count 11, guilty. Count 12, guilty. Count 13, guilty. Count 14, guilty. Count 15, guilty. Count 16, guilty. Count 17, guilty. Count 18, guilty. Count 19, guilty. Count 20, guilty. Count 21, guilty. Count 22, guilty. Count 23, guilty. Count 24, guilty. Count 25, guilty. Count 26, guilty. Count 27, guilty.
And you signed each of the verdict forms.
Yes, I have.
And were each of the verdicts unanimous with all 12 of you agreeing on that verdict?
Yes, they were.
Would either counsel like the jury polled?
No, Your Honor. No, Your Honor.
And Mr. Souza, do you have a recommendation for a time to set for sentencing?
Your Honor, the state is going to request a special sentencing in this case, as the state anticipates the victims may want to testify, and in addition to that, witnesses and the victim from Mexico may want to testify.
Okay.
Also at this time, Your Honor, for the record, I'm providing Mr. Duke and Mr. Bartleson with the PSI paperwork. And the state plans on contacting defense counsel in this case for purposes of a psychosexual evaluator. If we cannot agree on a particular evaluator, we may just seek an appearance at the district court's next law motion.
All right, that's fine. So members of the jury, just to let you know, first of all, I have excused all 15 of you from further jury service for this term. You've gone well and above and beyond your duty as jurors in this case. I know it was a very difficult case, and I know the decisions were not easy to do, but I appreciate your work in this case very much. The American system of justice works because people like yourselves are willing to take time out of your busy lives in difficult cases, and I really appreciate all of you and the work you put into this case. You will be excused. To further let you know, we'll have a sentencing date between 60 and 90 days down the road. There's a pre-sentence investigation that takes place, and included in that will be a psychosexual evaluation, which probably takes the most time, but that helps the court in sentencing all cases, particularly difficult cases like this one. At this time, you're excused. You may talk to anybody you wish about the case, about anything discussed. You are under no obligation, however, to talk to anybody. I would encourage you to talk to the attorneys or their representatives, because they may question you either today or sometime in the next week or two. It helps them to learn how to present future cases, what was important, what wasn't important, that sorts of things. But you are under no obligation to talk to anybody. However, you can talk to your family and everybody else now about this case. I guess that is everything. I want to say again, thank you, and we'll set this for a special setting, and we'll stand in recess.